Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a splash screen like WhatsApp. Let's begin. First we will create new project, select empty activity and we will give name our project name splash demo. Let's finish the build. Now build completed. First we will change the theme so that we can hide the action bar on the top. To hide that, we will simply change the dark action bar to no action bar in this as well as in night mode. No action bar, and we will change the color in purple 700. We will change to WhatsApp like its code is 25T366. Okay. Now we will cut these and create the activity, empty activity and splash activity. Splash activity. Now finish. I have one trouble which I will cut paste, copy and paste in drawable. Okay. Now we will design the layout. In this we will simply add one image view. Height will be 150 dp, width will be 150 dp, and source will be WhatsApp logo. Now we will add the constraint in this. Horizontal constraint, vertical constraint. Okay, this is here. Okay, no problem. It's done, and we will come in splash activity and create a simple handler dot. First we will import this, import dot post delayed. Okay, we will add the delay. We will add delay 4 seconds in this, for example, and we want to finish this activity after splash activity finishes. Simply add finish method, and we will want to go to the main activity. For this we will create an intent. From this, and first we will import this to main activity class .java. Simply we will start the activity and pass the intent. Okay, it's done. And don't forget to add the intent filter in splash activity. Cut these from here and add splash activity and exported. We will give it true. Now it's done, and run the app. Okay, here is our splash activity. Thank you.